Let's see how to make a 3-layer video in InShot. First, open InShot. Take a blank page. Click on the canvas and select the canvas size 9/16. Adjust the duration of your video. Click on Pip. Select and add your first video. Here the first layer is created. Click on Pip. Select and add your second video. Click on Pip. Select and add your third video. You can add animation to make the video interesting. Select each layer and add a perfect animation. Now you can add text to your video. You can also change the font size and color of the text. Export your video with high resolution. This is the full video. This is how you can create 3-layer videos in InShot.